Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. Got a nice used Raptor for you. Got her listed at $64,900. It's a 2017, one owner. We just traded for it. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the adaptive cruise control, the keyless entry, the lane departure, all that good stuff. This one's a 3.5 liter V6, 450 horsepower. This one's got the standard stock wheel on it. You can actually get a black wheel. I like this one a little bit better. This one's got about 3,500 miles on it. Like I said, clean truck, one owner. It's here and for sale. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. I'll put my 1-800 number up here for you. This truck is off-road, ready to go. It's got a really nice hard tri-fold cover on the back. Looks like you could almost stand up on it, but I don't believe I'd test it. Like I said, one owner, 2017, local truck, $64,900. I'll put my number down there. You can give us a holler. Thanks for your time.